Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can actually tame a cat inside of your Minecraft. First of all, this tutorial will help you in any version of Minecraft, so just make sure that you will follow me step by step to get your cat follow you wherever you belong. So let's go ahead and open our world and let's talk a little bit about cats. How does a cat help you in Minecraft? What does cats do in Minecraft's world? So first of all, cats are cute, so that is the first reason why you must get a cat in your pets collection. And the other thing, that cat scares the creepers. So for example, if we get a cat here, cat, spawn vinegar cat, yes, cat, and creeper. Oh, let's put the creeper here. Oh wait, let's make the like that, and let's put a cat. So as you can see, the creeper is running away. Let's put another one here. He will run away again. Let's wait, and yeah, he runs away, and that's how a cat can help you. So as you can see, the creeper will start trying. He will just keep running because the cats really scares him a lot. So how can you really tame a cat in Minecraft? First of all, you will need 3 things to do it. If you got lucky and you got a fish, that will be very good for you. So you just go to a cat and tame it. But wait, this is not the correct type of fish. Let's go here and let's get this one. Let's check which one of them will work. So wait, this one, not this one. Okay, this one. You need to get a raw cod fish. That will help you tame a cat. Any other type of fish will not help you. And after like taming 2 cats, they will give you another cat, like every other animal in Minecraft. And for those who doesn't know how to get a fish in Minecraft, I will show you now, but I already have a tutorial on my channel how to farm fish, so make sure to watch it later on, but I will show you for the sake of this tutorial. Now for example, you just gotta need an area full of water, or like to find the sea. Let's make it like that. And or you can just put water by your own in Minecraft, because it's not really that logical. So you need a fishing rod, and after doing so you can just throw it, and after waiting a little bit, and you will get your fish by the end of the time. Sometimes you will get a fish, sometimes you will get an item, sometimes you will get an enchanted book. So it depends on your luck. It will give you something by the end of the time. So yeah, that was it with today's tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.